Good morning, folks. Welcome back to the channel. If you see me now, this is right after, not right after, but after the Cape Town's first Wednesday. And it's now Sunday. This morning is the Mercedes Benz run. But the weather...
No! God, please, no!
The weather is just bucketing down earlier. Right now it's not raining, but it's predicted to rain again. It is drizzling a bit now. So we are not going to cancel though. We're going to push through in the rain. Whether it rain or not, I don't care. We're going to still do it.
The lie detector determined that was a lie.
Hopefully, you know, not rain too much. But maybe it's some fun today, because if it is wet, I do like a wet road for the spinny boys. But anyway, let's get to it. It is very early. I'm actually not going to it at the moment. I'm just up early on a Sunday morning because, you know, Sunday morning missions. But other than that, subscribe if you haven't yet. Why did you not subscribe? You watching it, don't subscribe. Yes. You know, no, disappointed.
A few moments later.
At Jimmy's now, also doing a bit of a raffle. And the folks are here. Not everybody yet, as the rest are convoying from Inman City. So, uncles are out. Yusuf is here. Akman is busy. We're gonna get the car washed. Here's the first burnout for the day, Owen's first burnout for the day. Now, what's happening? Are we live subs in here? Let's go. Let's go. So they're following the snow. What's his name?
Snow, yes, it's
Snow. It's a snow. It's a W205 with like a whole lot of Bravo stuff on it.
Yeah,
I think I've seen it at Killarney a while back. So what he's doing now is putting on a glaze.
Yes, this side and that side. Can you see there's a half line going through there? This is more dark than deep. Can you see what the glaze does? Yeah. So
Does this also repel water and stuff? Okay.
I got that polymer sealant in out.
You can double park there, lekker if you need to. Nothing's here. What? Nothing's here, bro. Hello guys, what's up, my dude? But holy shit, it's dirty.
Stellenbosch weather does not look like this.
Okay, you need to get in there. I don't know how you're going to do it though. Oh yeah, you four-wheel drive, so you're fine. Let me get this dude scraping the shit out of his stuff. Nah, no scrape. We good, no scrape. Yo. Are you? Nice coming through. Here's Ryan also. Yes! Guess who's back, boy? That group's getting too big for it, so good. Yeah. Must be back. What you want? Are you, brother? I see you come through. This is insane, bro. Okay, so the work boys are pulling out today. Hey, the work boys are pulling out today, bro. Don't mess us, brother. Don't mess. That's actually quite impressive. Corey, however, this group is so big now, it's too big for their own good. That's what they want. What's happening now is we filled up the parking. This is crazy. The guys are now parking outside. We're getting too big for our own good. Also, merch, guys. What do you think? What do you think? You want them? You want this? You want this? You want this? Hit me up. Hit me up. Cheap, cheap for you. Cheap, cheap. And the back also. I can't get the back one. Yes. So if you guys want this, when we part of the group, we want some merch, let me know. Let me know. I don't do it. You see anybody else do it? You see here now what I have to deal with. So I'm stressing because all the people here around, you must understand, people live around where the spot is. Did I lose my sunglasses? Did I lose my sunglasses? I'm in the office. Oh! Bro, that's the 20 rand sunglasses. I like this whole wheel rising thing. It's quite. Okay, so what's happening now is there's so much guys that we're bleeding over into parking that we don't even. Mate, look what's going on here. Hey, what's going on here, mate, bro?
It's Sunday, but it's slow down Sunday.
Slow down Sunday, but you look like you're adding shit, bruh. Hey, what's going on here, bruh? This man is adding. What is this, bruh? What's going on here? You're not gonna say what kind of juice? What kind of juice? Apple juice? What is this?
Apple juice for cool.
What is this? Apple juice?
Speed juice.
Jy juice liquid fruit.
Okay, that man fapping there. Check this man. Check this man just fapping there. Why you blowjobs? Let's go. Yeah, 500.
Heavy. For pulling up for the charity event and for helping a member, one of our own members, you know what I mean? You go over here and it's really been phenomenal. Everybody that pulls through.
We love his uncle, man. We love his uncle. He's always a member. Always a member, my bro.
For Shamik, for letting us get the venue over here, really appreciate it, man.
Shamik's washing cars. So close. 35. I was so bleeding. I was so close to 35, guys. Yeah, Ashley, yes. Now, hello. Don't assume what kind of rap that is. You can't assume.
Basically, a watch kick, yes. And then the second number that you generated is number 49. 49.
Hey! Is it really?
We remember our agreement, eh? Remember our
Don't do this to me.
Lion.
That's why I didn't even know. I think my younger sub. My younger sub. Yeah, my bro. No, it's quiet, man. It's quiet, man.
I'm not practicing my country.
Fritz also came through, guys. Okay. So what is happening now is kind of drizzling and it's gonna rain. So the car wash is just for charity, but it's crappy now that it is now starting to rain actually. Guys, it's pushing on 2:30 and we're still here washing cars. It's insane. Look, we don't mind because it is for the charity, and the more cars we wash, the more money goes towards the charity. But it's raining now, guys. It's like raining and we're washing cars, but you know that's what you do in Cape Town. If you want it to rain, just wash your car. And you'll be washing too much cars, so now it's raining even more. Raining even more.
6.5 hours later.
Oh, sorry, this is a quick cut because yeah, we didn't end up going on the drive. It started raining extremely hard, and even though we had the cars washed and stuff, but it doesn't really matter. That was for the charity. So, and you know me, a clean car in the rain is way better than a dirty car in the rain. So, and a lot of people got glazed on there. Thanks to King of Gloss for glazing some of the guys, so the water just beat it right off. Just beat it right off. So yeah, I'm gonna call it there. Probably was a lot but out of place because I shot it for the fact that we're gonna drive somewhere, but I ended just shooting all the footage that was there. We had a lot of fun and a lot of support today. That is amazing. We normally don't have this much people that come through, or this much cars even that come through, but shoot, yeah, that was mad. That's a lot of support. Merc guys, listen here guys, also if you are in Cape Town and you have a Mercedes Benz, was there another goal there for Liverpool? Another goal for Man United. Oh, shame, man. Man United guys should, I'm sorry, okay? I don't support any other soccer team, just so by the way, but Liverpool 4-0. What? 4-0? Yeah, that's it. That was our Merc. It was supposed to be a run, but it just ended up being a meet and greet, and we met a lot of new guys and stuff like that. Thank you to everybody that came. If you were there, comment down below if you were there. And if you were not there and you have a Mercedes-Benz and you want to be part of the group, just contact Mercedes-Benz Owners Club of Cape Town in, I think, Facebook. I think I'm going to put a link down in the video. So if you want to join, and then join us for our next run, hopefully, obviously it will not be on a rainy day. This one we planned a while back, so the rain just not happened to be its strongest today. So yeah, anyways, thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, smash and mood and skop and donor that button, just you know, just there for the boys. And then yeah, I'll see you guys in the next video. I'm out. Bye. Akan diborong.